Hello and welcome to Black Week here from Nordic Anglers. We're gonna do a lot of things prior to this Black Friday. The first thing and most important thing is now active live on the site is more than 2,000 different products, fly tying products, that has been marked down by 60%. So there's also a lot of whiting and stuff that has been marked down, but not with exactly 60%. But right now the sales category with all the fly tying is just booming with great deals. There is a lot of hairs, there is a lot of feathers, a lot of artificial hairs for tying pike flies, flesh, you know, hooks, you name it. All of that are available now. It's available in the sales category that you can find in the top bar of Nordic Anglers, and all of that is live now, and it's going to be live all week. We also have a lot of different very cool offers. Some of them we have opened for already with some demo rods and some extremely good prices on a few of the discontinued Winston rods. There's some liquid wheels from Waterworks as well, a few waders and bags from Sims and stuff like that, and all of that is available now. All of this is as long as stocks last. So I would urge you to swing by the sales category and basically just browse and scroll as far down as you can, because there's 2,000 products in that category. So I mean, every single time you come across something that you like, add it to the basket and then just move on through all these insanely big amount of great products. And basically that's how you do it. You can of course also find the individual products under the individual categories where they're allocated in the first place, but it's probably easier to just look through the very big sales category. So all of that is available now. It's up there now, and the prices are what they're gonna be. These are not going to be marked further down on Black Friday or anything, but I urge you to swing by the shop again on Friday, because on Friday we're going to have some sales that are only in the weekend. So all that is on there now, is available now, is of course on sale, and that is the best price you'll ever get on these. But on Friday we're going to have a lot of different new stuff added to the site as well. This of course doesn't mean that if you find something that you really like now, you can basically just buy that, order that, and we ship it. And then I urge you to, I would really recommend that you swing by again on Friday to see even more items on sale, and an even bigger sale for a lot of really specific and really big and well-renowned brands. So basically it is on. It's bigger than ever before. I'm really looking forward to this, and I hope a lot that you will join us, because the Black Week has started. Go, 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 go!